Welcome cloud lovers. Today we will be going to create elastic file store and then we will attach it with the EC2 and then mount it with the directory. So here are the commands which we are going to use today. Do not worry, I will share these commands in description for easy accessibility. So let's start. First of all, you have to create a EC2 instance of Ubuntu. I have already created it yesterday. So I will create the EFS now. So create EFS, you have to type EFS here and open EFS. Once you will be there on the EFS main page, you have to click on create file system and then choose the name of your EFS. So it will be EFS Ubuntu storage. Ubuntu storage. You have to choose the default VPC, the same VPC which you have selected while creating the EC2 instance. Let's click on create. And here it is created now. Click on file system ID to go into the EFS and then go to network. So here you can see that each availability zone is linked with the security group. So you have to change the security group to the same security group of your instance. So your instance is running on security group wizard 3. So you have to select the same security group for your EFS storage. So click on manage and change it one by one. So I have changed all the security groups to wizard 3, that is the same security group linked with my EC2. So once you do it, click on save and that is it. So let's quickly go to your EC2 and connect with your machine. So here we are in our machine. Let's run the first command sudo apt-get update to update the machine. It's done. So now what we are going to do, we are going to connect our EFS with our EC2. So to connect two services, we have to need a network interface that will be nfs-common in this case. So let's install nfs-common. Sudo apt-get install nfs-common -y, hit enter, and the package is installed. So now we are going to create a directory. Let's create it. Sudo mkdir EFS will be the directory. Great. Now once we have created the directory, we are going to mount the storage. Go to EFS, click on attach, click on mount via DNS, copy this mount command and paste it and hit enter. That is it. So once you will do df-h, see it will show you that this EFS storage is now mounted. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep looking for the same content on Cloud in Minutes. Thank you.